Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Guilty Gear Strive. We'll begin by covering the essential controls and universal mechanics that form the backbone of every match. Mastering movement, basic attacks, and special move inputs is crucial for new players. You'll also discover how Roman Cancel offers versatile options for extending combos or escaping pressure, while Burst provides a powerful defensive tool. Next, let's dive into offensive strategies. The Gatling combo system allows you to chain normal attacks, creating varied and effective pressure. Aim for wall breaks by pushing your opponent to the screen's edge, which grants a substantial damage bonus and resets the stage. Incorporate mix-ups, alternating between overheads, lows, and throws to keep your opponent guessing and create openings for your strongest attacks. To truly capture Neil Young's harmonica style, focus on a few key techniques. First, aim for clean, single notes. This clarity is fundamental to his melodic approach. Next, practice subtle bends and scoops, which add a touch of emotional depth to your playing. Good breath control is also essential for sustaining notes and shaping your phrases. Finally, consider using a harmonica neck rack, allowing you to play harmonica while accompanying yourself on guitar. Finally, we'll explore advanced concepts and the importance of practice. The Roman Cancel system has multiple uses, from extending combos to making moves safe or creating defensive space. Studying character matchups will help you anticipate opponent strategies and tailor your approach. Consistent practice in training mode, combined with reviewing your replays, is the most effective way to refine your execution and decision-making, leading to significant improvement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.